It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So this is what we're doing in Aprons meal. Let's get started. The scissors. I needed something though. Oh well, it's already this morning. That's a good thing. So unboxing. We unboxing something, y'all. First time ever. Too bad I had to buy it, right? No, I'm just joking. Anyway. So it comes with celery. So it's chopped celery, chopped carrot, chopped onion, dumpling squares. I ain't gonna say nothing about that. Dumpling squares, gravy mixture, chicken pieces. There are 3 chicken cutlets here, and they are skinless, so I have to chop those up. And a crock pot bag, yay! Alright, so let's see. This is just a list. It comes with like a list and cooking instructions. Basically, it says slow cooker recipe, directions, line the slow cooker with the items provided. Place all ingredients in the slow cooker. Cook on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 hours until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. So basically, I will cook it because I don't have a thermometer for about 5 hours before I taste test and make sure everything's okay. And that's gonna be on high because I want to be able to eat this afternoon, and I'll make a dessert, or we'll use the brownie pieces from last night because we still have a lot. So yeah, it's chicken breast, southern style flat dumplings, diced celery, diced yellow onions, diced carrots, and poultry gravy. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna go ahead and I want to talk. I'll tell you guys in a minute. So now we've lined the bottom of our pan, or the bottom of our crock pot liner with chicken breast. Now I'm going to wash my hands again. And we're going to put in carrots. Onions, yellow onions, I guess. They stink. Ooh, they stink. Goodness. And this is celery. And to top everything off after I mix it all together, it's going to be poultry gravy. I use my hands to mix it. They're clean, so it's okay. So, it smells like Thanksgiving in here. Yum! I love vegetables. Celery, onions, and carrots smell delicious. Smell just like Thanksgiving. This is lumpy. Now it doesn't say to mix water or anything with this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour everything in here. 1.25 pounds. Okay. Okay, all in. So I'm gonna toss this around. It looks like it's gonna be like no, it's all covered. It's okay. I was gonna say it looks like it's not gonna be enough, but it's all covered evenly. Alright, so I just go ahead and give everything a toss. Make sure it's covered and smooth everything over the top. Alright, so I just go ahead and give everything a toss. Make sure it's covered and smooth everything over the top. Okay guys, so what I did not add are my dumplings, so I'm going to go ahead and add those on top. As you can see, mix them up a little, because it'll all melt together and these will soften with the gravy and become dumplings naturally. So I'm going to replace my lid. Set this to high, that's out, and then set my oven timer for 4 hours. Done. It has been 4 hours and my food is ready, so I'll turn everything off. It sounds terrible. Just a moment. Okay, so this is what we're working on. This is again Aprons crock pot creations, I guess we're gonna call it, because that's what came to mind. And this meal is called chicken and dumplings. Again, we used the crock pot liner that came with the packaging and all of the ingredients within. What an angle, right? Let's see. And that's how it looks. It's like it looks to me like pot powdered out the crust or whatever, but it looks yum. I'm gonna try it in a minute, but this is basically how it turned out. Okay, so it's still hot, but everything looks delicious. So basically this is how everything turned out. Plated chicken and dumplings, brownie pieces, and salted caramel gelato and juice. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching.